Keeps your GoPro afloat better than ever before, so you can shoot in and around the water worry-free. Easy to switch between mounts with a quick release base. Makes it easy to aim your camera and capture a bunch of different angles. Comfortable, non-slip construction for a secure grip. Perfect for surfing, kayaking, wakeboarding and other water sports. Wrist strap lanyard included for extra security. Top reviews from the United States. I bought this grip so I could take my GoPro snorkeling to Hawaii. I followed the instructions and easily attached it. The snorkeling area had strong currents and wavy, but this grip was sturdy, held the camera well and remained attached. I checked it after an hour, and everything was still well attached and no loosening had occurred. It was the perfect length too. I highly recommend this grip.